Diligently, each month, he was coming to your home or finding out where you live and dropping round as much as he conceivably could, correct?
No, sir.
No. If you can't be there, sir, I presume, knowing how expensive these two extraordinary young people are to bring up, you did your best, cash in hand, to make sure they had something. If you can't be there physically, at least you do your best to pay. Where was it?
I have transferred to my son's account on a few occasions.
A few occasions?
On a few occasions.
Goodness me! What would you like for that, sir?
Nothing.
Thank you.
I have posted as well, money as well, through the post. It must have gone lost.
Must have got lost in the post?
Must have.
Just pause. Got lost in the post. Dog eat your homework, Mohammed. Now, eventually, there was a retrospective assessment of exactly how much CSA was owing. And I have to tell you, I'm troubled by it because I don't think it's anywhere near enough. But can I see it, please?
That's just one sheet.
Mohammed, whilst it's being presented to me, the relevant authority conducts an assessment of how much you owe in back payments. Do you have any idea of how much this is at this stage, as of today's date?
No, Judge.
An insulting amount.
I'd just like to read something, just something. To you, Mohammed. Man of the world, cash in hand, that sort of thing, correct?
Go ahead.
Part A of this letter explained that the total amount of regular child maintenance you should receive each week, this is to you, from Mohammed, is £1.75.
That's what it started.
Just pause for a second.
Joke.
Just pause, please. Do you know what you owe as of today's date, sir?
No, I don't.
£5,596, sir. Why haven't you paid any of it?
I have made payments in the past before.
My son Hussein may very well have contacted his dad on the odd occasion and asked for £10 or £20, of which I believe Mohammed did his best and strived to give that £10 or £20 to him. But outside of that, initial teething problems with the CSA was just that he wouldn't declare anything, they couldn't get hold of him.
Do you believe that as a father, you've done your best, albeit it might have been difficult with Tracy, to give enough as a father?
No.
How much should you have given?
I should have been there for my children. But where was Tracy at that time? Where was the contacts? She did not make any arrangements with me for me to see my children.
That's your job!
I have tried.
Don't be so ridiculous. That's your job.
I have tried.
Be quiet. You know where they live. You know the telephone number. I've got a mum here who has done her best. She set up contact centres after you'd been jailed, sir. Nonsense. Easy as pie. So, mum there saying, help me. Mum's saying, I will do everything I can to ensure you have custody. Everything. I've seen some bad ones. You see? Come to my court. They say, I'm not going to let you see my kids unless you give me money. Not her. Where were you?
I'm sure there's more
Where
to it.
were you?
I wasn't around.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.